Welcome to Finance 201 video solution. This time I'm gonna go over topic 6 practice exam, question number 28. The question is asking the following. A 20-year bond you purchased 10 years ago is currently traded at $1,053.42. The bond has a coupon rate of 8%, paid annually, and a face value of 1,000. The bond was priced at 1,132.13 when you purchased it. Your choice is either sell it now or hold it until the maturity to gain the most of it. What should you do? So this is could be a little hard things to think about, but when you read this question, this is something you should think about. Okay, first things, what is the yield to maturity when you purchased it? And then second is what is the return you get if you sell it today? Okay, because your choice is either you're gonna hold it until maturity or you're gonna sell it today, right? And before I move on forward, let's talk about what yield to maturity is. Okay, yield to maturity is the average return you will get if you purchase the bond today at certain price and you're gonna hold that until maturity. Okay, that's a definition of yield to maturity. So anyway, let's calculate this guy. So we know the bond was 20-year bond. Coupon rate is 8%, paid annually. Face value is 1,000, and price was 1,132.13 when you purchased that. Right? So how do you find YTM? It's not rocket science, right? So you have a n equal to 20, payment is 80, which is 8% of the face value. Future value is always 1,000 unless it's told the face value is different than 1,000. Present value is the price at the time, so 1,132.13. Then you're gonna solve for the fifth variable, which will be I, and you should get 6.77%. This is the yield to maturity when you purchase this bond. Now let's calculate what's the return you will receive if you sell it today. Okay, just think the timeline, right? 10 years ago, you purchased the bond at 1,132.13. Okay, and you have received the payment of 80 every year past 10 years. And then future value is the current price of the bond, because if you sell the bond today, you're going to receive $1,053.42. So that you can find the return, and if you solve for it, you get 6.55%. Now here I highlighted, here's the YTM versus the return if you sell it today, right? So here's a question. Again, do you want to sell it or do you want to hold it until maturity? We said YTM is the average return you're going to receive if you buy a bond on one day and then you're going to sell it or you're going to hold it until its maturity. Okay, which is higher than the return you will receive if you sell the bond today. So obviously, if you keep the bond until its maturity, then you can gain more than you're selling the bond today. Therefore, you should hold the bond until its maturity. Hope this solution, the explanation, help you understand how to solve these types of question.